Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampadibanfo. Today we're going to tell you something about fractions. We're going to tell you something about fractions and board mass. Now, example 1. Simplify 3 over 4 plus 5 over 8 times 4 over 5 minus 1 over 6. Answer. Now, before we answer this question, let's look at it very well. It contains addition sign, contains multiplication sign, it contains subtraction sign. So therefore, we consult board mass. And according to board mass, bracket first, order second, division third, multiplication fourth, addition fifth, and subtraction sixth. So therefore, if we look at this question, multiplication will be first. According to board mass, multiplication first. Multiplication will be first. So therefore, we are going to simplify this one. So 5 over 8 times 4 over 5. Now this denominator can cancel this denominator. So give us 1 here, 1 here. So we get 1 over 8 times 4 over 1. Now 4 can cancel itself 1. It can cancel this denominator 2. So therefore we get 1 over 2 times 1 over 1. Now 1 times 1 is 1 over 2 times 1 is 2. So therefore we put this answer into the question. So we get 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6. Now, according to board mass, addition is next. So therefore, 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Now, LCM, which is the lowest common multiple, is 4. The lowest common multiple should be 4. So therefore, we bring it here, draw a bar, 4. Now, 4 divides 4, we get 1. 1 times 3 becomes 3 plus 2 divides 2. 2 divides 4, we get 2. 2 times 1, we get 2. So we add these 2, it becomes 5 over 4. So finally, we put it into the question. So we get 5 over 4 minus 1 over 6. Now to solve this one, you need to find the LCM, the lowest common multiple, which is the lowest common multiple for 4 and 6 is 12. So therefore, we bring it here, we draw a bar, here will be 12. Now 4 divided 12, we get 3. 3 times 5, we get 15. Minus 6 divides 12, we get 2. 2 times 1, we get 2 here. So therefore equal to 15 minus 2 equal to 13 over 12. Now this answer is an improper fraction. It is not our final answer. Our final answer should be a mixed fraction. So therefore we divide 13 by 12. So 12 divides 13. We use the long division to do it. Now 12 divided 13, you get 1. 1 times 12, we get 12. We subtract 12 from 13, you get 1. So this one is our remainder. This one is our remainder. So therefore, the final answer is one whole number. This one whole number. 1, the remainder 1 over 12. One whole number 1 over 12. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button and share with your loved ones, your friends, your family, your colleagues. Thank you.